Haiti is a country of dramatic contrast. From the height of its mountains, where the cool nights are perfect for growing cabbages and carrots, and where hidden waterfalls house both spirits and saints, to the breathtaking coastline, where white and black sand beaches are sometimes hidden behind thick stands of mangroves that protect the land from the Caribbean Sea. In Haiti, most families survive through farming, cultivating steep hillsides and fertile plains alike. And the greatest challenge they face today is the same as it was 40 years ago. Diminishing harvests and changing weather patterns are leaving Haiti's farmers more vulnerable year after year. In many ways, Haiti has been a canary in the coal mine, warning the rest of the world what it is like to experience firsthand the impacts of the greatest crisis of this century, climate change. Haiti Takes Root, or Ayiti Vèt as the campaign is known in Creole, is an initiative that is breaking the old cycles of isolated projects and individual efforts, and uniting actors to embrace approaches grounded in lessons learned over decades, in Haiti and beyond. We cannot respond to the multifaceted global challenge of climate change without bringing together those most affected by the impacts, Haiti's farmers and fishers and their families, and placing them at the center of our approach. Then we can gather together all the actors, from agriculture to environment to water and planning, from Haiti's government, both local and national, to donors and organizations who can strengthen Haiti's public institutions and long-term capacity to manage natural resources. Ayiti Vèt is a national campaign to support local agricultural production, especially agroforestry, planting trees that are sources of income, including fruit trees and hardwood trees, in order to help farmers improve their livelihoods. We provide support starting with the seeds and all along the value chain, including cultivation, harvest, post-harvest transformation, to ensuring there is a market for the produce. Climate change has led to longer dry seasons and rainy seasons that are unpredictable and characterized by more destructive storms that lead to landslides and flooding. Ayiti Vèt promotes strategies that transform water from a threat to a resource. While Haiti is ranked among the most vulnerable to climate change, Haiti can also be a leader in the race to find adaptation strategies. The world already looks to Haiti as a historic leader in fighting oppression, and today Haiti is at the forefront of the environmental justice movement. Ayiti Vèt is hand in hand with the Haitian people, spreading information and raising awareness about how to respond to climate change, while fighting for access to international funds that can help Haiti test and promote innovative responses to the global challenge of our century. There is an African proverb that says, "The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The next best time is now." Haiti's time is now. Join us for A Greener Haiti.